In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project timeline on monday.com. We'll walk through a simple, clear process so that by the end you'll know exactly how to turn your tasks into a visual timeline that's easy to understand and manage. First, make sure you're already on the monday.com board where you want to create your project timeline. This might be a board for a specific project, a team, or a department. Your board should already have at least a few items or tasks listed, even if they're just placeholders for now. Once you're on the correct board, look toward the right side of the screen for the plus icon. This plus sign is what you'll use to add new columns or views, depending on where you see it. Go ahead and click on the plus sign that's used for adding a new column to your board. This is usually found at the far right of your existing columns in the header area. By clicking this, you're telling monday.com that you want to add a new type of information for each item, and in this case, that information will be your project's timeline. After clicking the plus sign, a menu will appear with different column types you can add. Scroll through this list until you find the option called Timeline. The timeline column is designed specifically for tasks that have both a start date and an end date, which is what makes it perfect for visual project planning. Click on Timeline to add this column to your board. Once the timeline column appears, you'll see empty cells for each item in that column. To turn each task into part of your project timeline, click on one of those empty cells. When you click, a small calendar or date picker will open. Here, you'll set the start and end dates for that specific task. Click on the start date first, then drag or select the end date for the task. Try to be realistic with your date ranges so your timeline accurately reflects how long each task will take. When you're done, confirm your selection. You'll now see a colored bar appear in the timeline cell, representing that task's duration. Repeat this process for each item on your board. As you set dates for all tasks, monday.com will automatically display a clear visual project timeline. This makes it much easier to see overlaps, deadlines, and potential bottlenecks, helping you keep your project on track from start to finish.